one question to ask you. When was the last time you listened to music and got paid for it? Never? Interesting. Well, what if we told you that today all of that is going to change? You're going to be listening to music and earning from it all the time after watching today's video using a brand new website that's actually going to pay you to listen to music. All you have to do is press a button to listen to your favorite song, and every time you do so, you're going to get paid. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So obviously, the first thing that we want to stress and really emphasize is that you have to have a PayPal account, and this isn't optional because unfortunately this will be the only payment method that today's strategy will cater to. So if you have a PayPal account, then good for you, you're all set. But if you're someone who doesn't have a PayPal account, then just go ahead onto paypal.com, sign up like you would, and go about the process like any other. And once you have yourself a PayPal account, we can jump straight into the real money making method, and we're not gonna hold off much longer. So here we go. Our website for today that is going to be paying us to listen to our favorite songs of all time is called Radio Earn, and to get to their website, just type in radioearn.com, hit enter on that, and that should take you to this website. As you can read on here, earn alone or with your website with listening radio. How it works, it's simple, fast, and you earn. Number one, you're going to sign up. You're going to create a free account on radioearn.com. It's 100% free. Number two, you're going to sign in. After registration, you can log in and look at your account. Number three, you're going to start radio or use API. You're going to start earning by clicking or opening on your radio link or links. You can also use our live API for your website if you wish that your user listen for you. And number four, earn and pay out. Every 15 minutes you get points. This point will be converted at the following month to US dollars. The US dollars you can pay out via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards or Bitcoin, and PayPal. Great features you're going to love. There's high compatibility. All browsers that support HTML5 audio can start earning. Their newest codecs for lowest traffic, and it's only 32K bits for audio streaming with highest quality. There are best placed ads. These ads in the audio stream depends on your location or your user and will give you the highest eCPM. Over 35 countries are supported. You can style your radio, much of options and functions for styling your radio and design, all real-time and live. There are detailed statistics and API. You see always in real-time all of your statistics, radios, and your API. It's simple for everyone. There's a simple system. It's stable, point exchange, and much of security systems for you and our partners. And you're going to earn and pay out. You can earn in real-time, and your converted points in US dollars you can cash out via PayPal anytime. It's that simple. To sign up, you're going to click on sign up now right here, and that should take you to here where you're going to input all of the details being asked of you. So your username, your first name, last name, email address, then your password twice. Then you're going to enter the CAPTCHA, and once that's all complete, and you're going to hit on register, and ta-da, you can finally log in. So just log in like you normally would, and here is your Radio Earn account. Now this is your dashboard, and here's where you can find all of your account details and stats and basically all of the things that you might want to be kept up to date on. But before anything else, we need to make sure that you've provided your payment details, or else you are not going to get paid. And to do so, you just want to click on settings up here, and you're going to see all of the payment information that you're going to have to provide this website with. So make sure that you do this before anything else. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. And once you've done that, it's time to finally start making money, which is what I know you've all been waiting for. So let's just jump right into that right now. So to start listening by earning, you're gonna click on start earning, then listen radio, and then you're gonna see this. And these are all the current active radio stations, so that's what you actually want to do, is actually click on start radio on all the radios that you can do that to. For example, we have 3 radios that we can start that is currently very active right now. So you can click on the 3, put them on 3 different tabs, and just like that, you're gonna be listening to these radios and let them play in the background while you're just chilling, letting it be. And the longer you leave the radio playing, the more money you could be making. So it's important that you keep that in mind. So just like that, you're already making money, but just to make sure that you're following all of my instructions so that your work will be credited. So that's it for this website. Now let's move on to the next. Next is called hitpredictor.com, and this is how that website looks like. Help predict the next hit. Hit Predictor gives you the power to direct influence music before its release. You can rate new music, you can earn gift cards, you can check out their weekly contests and their prize store. Start listening today and have your vote be heard. For qualifying participants, you can make a difference. Influence record labels, radio stations, the artists, and their managers on what gets released to the public. From that alone, you already know what you're gonna get paid by reading music, which means just listen to the songs, tell them what you think, and in return, you're gonna get paid some good money. Just click on create your account now and proceed with the registration process like any other, and then you're gonna start listening and you're gonna start earning. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. So that's it for Radio Earn and Hit Predictor. And remember that the only way you're gonna earn big is if you actually use both websites together, because if you only choose to use one, then you're probably not gonna earn even a decent amount of money. So if you don't want your time and efforts wasted, just take both chances. Take 2 of the opportunities. They're literally right in front of you. So I wouldn't understand why you just won't want to do both. And let us know how it goes in the comments down below, because I know you guys are really not going to regret it, and that's what we want. We want you guys to have no regrets. So let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And that is basically everything. And for a short recap, first thing you want to do, create a PayPal account. Once you have a PayPal account, open up Radio Earn, apply, sign up, start working, start earning. And then after you go through Radio Earn, let's go to the next website, which is called hitpredictor.com. You're going to sign up, apply now, make some money off of there as well. And that is basically it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.